With all the work of mold making behind us, the DIY pop top build finally saw its end in sight. A last bit of prep went into polishing and refinishing the mold surface. Release wax and PVA, the mold release duo, finally laid on good and thick. That's a good sign. On to gel coat. What once kicked my butt was now, well, it was still a pain, but we made do. A slick gloss black production gel coat went down well. Done right, this would mean a mirror finish right out of the mold. Back to lamination. That first day was again the longest, going straight from gel coat to resin and fiberglass mat. It came a little more natural by this time. Still, a great deal of attention to craftsmanship was needed. With each layer of glass, I grew more excited to finally see the final product. At last, the 3/16 inch lamination would cure and be ready for some prying and popping out of the mold. Compressed air fittings made easy work of mold release. Everything came together at last. Unmatched production quality in the hands of an overambitious craftsman. One oddly satisfying PVA film removal later, and we were in business. A little measuring, template making, jigsaw chopping, and there you are, the homemade pop top. After an initial fitment, I continued on to the finishing touches. This roll of weather seal would keep the camper lid waterproof. The interior found further reinforcement with a touch of interior design. The cedar and epoxy inlay laminated to the inner camper top. These flush-mounted lights were right at home. A new set of hinges were made, along with retrofitting this replacement Westfalia canvas. Want to see more details on the build? Drop me some comments below on what the next video should cover. Thanks again for keeping up with this tireless journey of a project. Appreciate the support, and as always, find full details on the build and how to follow along below.